Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Trezor Suite firmware updater detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to your web browser. In the address bar, type in the official Trezor website URL. Press enter to access the site. Once the home page loads, locate the menu at the top of the page. Hover over the support option to reveal a drop-down menu. In the drop-down, click on Trezor Suite. The Trezor Suite page will open. Scroll down to find the download section. You will see options for different operating systems, Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Select the version that corresponds to your operating system. Click on the appropriate download button. The file will start downloading automatically. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the Trezor Suite installer file. Double-click the installer file to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Once installed, open Trezor Suite from your Applications or Programs list. Connect your Trezor device to your computer using a USB cable. The Trezor Suite should recognize your device automatically. If a firmware update is available, you will see a notification. Click on the notification to proceed with the firmware updater. Follow the instructions provided in Trezor Suite to complete the firmware update. Ensure that you do not disconnect your device during the update process. Once the update is finished, your Trezor device will restart. You are now ready to use the latest version of Trezor Suite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.